it's getting pretty serious. I'd like that to be shallower. G'day everyone, it's Curtis here and welcome to an On The Back Wheel video. Today I'm going for a ride on the Honda Africa Twin. I've got no real plan. I'm just going to head north and explore. It should be a lot of fun. It's been absolutely bucketing down the last few days. I don't know if you can hear the water in the background just going through the creek. I plan to do Linville, but I think it's going to be flooded out. So we're just going to explore and see where the road takes us. We'll try not to get in trouble and explore some tracks. Let's do it. I'm starting off at my local haunt, Diagula National Park. Let's see how we go. We're going to head north towards Kilcoy from here. Whoa, that's game. Very game. I think it's going to be busy on the roads today, so we have to really watch out. It is the Easter long weekend. It is Good Friday. Consider this the Church of Curtis. And this can be your sermon for the day, people. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of water around if this is overflowing like this. Oh, good. Oh yeah, she's wet. We're going to avoid that red clay like the plague, especially with street tyres on. Keep it smooth. Goal for the day? Don't drop it. That's the goal. Enjoy the ride, cover some distance, explore. Mud, it's the great equaliser on adventure bikes, isn't it? I can't get past this tree. Well, I probably could now. It was on the ground. I've lifted it up to that height. That's the best spot I can get. It's pretty heavy. I want to explore this another time, but the plan today is to go further north. So let's turn around and keep on chugging. Loving it. Slippery. No doubt about that. Don't stack it. Keep it straight. Yeah, nice. I haven't stacked on one of those yet. Yet. Here's a decent one. Keeping the wheel tracks. Yeah, easy. Annoyingly, I'm having to backtrack. All the ways I thought I might be able to get through or sneak through, got gates, can't get through, washed out. Then there's sea break up there. But I'm not riding through that after so much rain and on this bike. So I'll backtrack, get back on the main road and keep heading north. I found a track I don't know, everyone. It's very exciting for me. Bit of a hill climb too. Oh, some big ruts and rocks here. Whoa! Up we go. How good is this? Oh, it's getting pretty serious. Very serious. Oh, that's pretty hectic. I set the wrong line a bit. Try again. Up. That was just terrible. So I tried to get up this hill here. No luck, just a terrible line and stuffed it up. Had another crack, no run up. Was also terrible, so we're gonna have another go. Don't have much of a run up, and it's really like these kind of big rocks like this, and wet and muddy with street tyres. We'll see how we go. Can only try, right? Let's do it. This is just so slippery. If I get defeated, I get defeated. Try that again. Trying to really weight the rear, but it's just sliding in the wrong direction. One more go. One more go. Not happening, guys. I have to come do it another day in the Beestrom. I keep going, but I want to keep exploring other areas too. Oh well. Alright, let's get out of Mount Mandiagula and head to Kilcoy. Private property, keep out. Must be for the creek, eh? Which is powering.
I headed northwest to Kilcoy, then onto Monsildale Road. The plan was to check out the famed Louisavale Road, known for its creek crossings. We've had a ton of rain recently, so I was prepared to explore somewhere else if need be.
Look at this big bopper. Look at that big fella. Big goanna. We've moved into the Conondale National Park. Now I can tell you this, there are worse places to ride. It's very pretty. Another big goanna. Off you get. Nice road this. Twisty, flowy. Not a soul to be seen either. I've just turned onto Louisaville or Louisaville. I don't know how you say it. I've turned onto Louisaville Road. And this is where a lot of creek crossings are. I've never done it before, so I'm very wary. I'm not on my bike, I'm on Honda's bike. It's got street tyres, it's got no crash protection, and I'm by myself. We'll have a peek. If it's too deep, we'll turn back, go explore some other areas. We'll see how we go. Looks beautiful though. That is the creek we'll be riding through, I guess. Stunning area. We're heading to Monsildale. This is a really popular ride in the South East Queensland area. I've never done it. But I know a lot of people really rate it. It's a good big bike adventure ride, and then it can be a bit of a test with the river crossings too. Look out, cows! Africa Twin coming through on safari. Righto, first crossing. Let's go this side. Looks easy enough. How'd that go? Got up to, well, the top of my boot went under. That gives you an idea. That's what we got. I'm very happy. I'll do that all day. But I know it's not going to be all that. Shut the gate, mate. Beautiful country. Sandy. This looks a bit more serious, guys. Let's have a little walkie walk. Just stopped to have a bite to eat and a drink. Been riding for about 3.5 hours, so time for a bit of a rest. Stunning area out here. Bit nervous about these creek crossings. This one looks fine. I mean, it's no joke, don't get me wrong. But it's obviously a really small creek crossing usually. There's just been so much water. Now it's a big creek crossing. So hopefully they don't get any bigger. You know, I'm not fully committed. If I've got to turn around, I've got to turn around. But at the moment, I'm just going to fucking send it, eh? See how we go. No drops. No drops. If it was the V-Strom, I'd be just going for it. You know, crash protection, good tyres in it. I'd be sending it. But better look after Honda's bike a little bit, eh? Alright, let's do it. So imagine this is usually quite small. Oh, I think we're pretty good, guys. Like boots completely under, but whatever. Hey, I mean, it was deep. She got deep. But pretty easy. Famous last words, there's plenty more to go, but looks of it. Oh, this one's pumping. Is it concrete? Yes. Pretty slippery. We got there, guys. All right, 3 down. Don't know how many more to go. Okay, now things are getting a bit more interesting. Let's step it out. I mean, there was a duck just swimming in it before I came down. Fine. Getting deep. Like, I'm up to my knees, but I just had a chat to old mate, and he said they get much deeper than this, up to the wheel arches on his lifted cruiser. You would not want to get much deeper than that. I was up there. If it gets much deeper than that, we're just gonna head back. No stress, we're having a blast. I just walked this one. It's cranking, but it's not too deep. Might go the left-hand side there. It looks a bit shallower. Yeah, nice. That was beautiful. Woo! The first one got the heart going. This one looks alright. Let me just get over here and see where's deep or not. That's fine. Wasn't graceful, but we got there, guys and gals. Gosh, we're lucky to have these tracks where we are. That didn't sound great. Oh, we got a big bopper. Looks slow. Let's get out and walk it. Right, I just did a walk. The middle is like waist deep. That is not happening. Might be able to go through here. We'll walk it. It's pretty murky, eh? Rocks. 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 Ah, we're good, guys. Let's go and do it. Don't mind me puffing, panting. Oh, what's that? Tree stump. Alright, I got the camera set up so it better not fail. Got there. Oh, so far, what an amazing ride. Frothing over this, guys. Good mix. You can have a play on this stuff if you want. Like so. It's beautiful. Creek crossings are fun. Very fun. We've done well so far. Fingers crossed we can keep going because we're pretty invested now. Another one, better walk this. This looks a bit serious. I'd like that to be shallower. Thigh. Right here. Oh, it's higher. Okay, okay. Alright, we might be going. Oh, it's got some strength. We'll go this line here. Or not, there's big rocks there. Okay. Right, this left lane. The whole way. Let's do it. Oh. I'm at the gym basically here, aren't I? Oh! Yeah! Nice, guys. The high airbox in this working really well at the moment, and the extra bit of ground clearance. So I could have easily sucked in some water on those crossings. I think that's it. I don't know. We'll keep going and see what happens. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Look out, blue cows. Look at that. Damn. That's a lot of water. here we are, Linville. I was all excited for a pub feed, then I realised it's Good Friday. Nothing's going to be open. Ah, damn. Well, usually this is where you end up, everyone, for a feed. Not today though, unfortunately. I've stopped at Linville. I wanted to go to the pub, but it's Good Friday and nothing is open, so I'm having a muesli bar and a drink of water instead. I'm going to start heading home. I'm tempted to do that in reverse because it was so much fun, but sometimes you don't want to push your luck. I think I did well to get through those creek crossings unscathed as is. So I'm going to start heading home to Bitchy and try to find some gravel and dirt here and there. If you like this ride as much as I did, click that subscribe button, check out my other content, and keep it on the back wheel, everyone. Catches.